Hey, are you a professional who's looking to write their very first kids book? Well, look no further. Join our workshop where we'll help you rewrite your message in a fun kid-sized way that's appropriate for your audience. We'll do things like identify your ideal audience. We'll help you to figure out what your ideal audience loves, where they're at in their literary development, social development, and what kinds of things are going to appeal to that audience. We'll also help you with your plot structure, making it interesting and captivating, as well as providing you a roadmap with how you're going to accomplish this. And the best thing is that I will be right there alongside you, as well as other people in the class, to provide you with immediate feedback so that we can take that idea that's been waiting in your head for months and turn it into an actual story that's nearly ready for publication. So, if you're a professional who has a message and has been waiting for the ideal opportunity to develop a kid's book all in one day, then this workshop is for you. All you have to do is sign up below.